Here we are doing a little pork butt on the Holland Grill. We're actually smoking it today. Holland Grill don't make a smoker, but I found a product on the internet called Amazing Products. It's a 5x8 smoking tray. And we've got some apple wood in it now. This thing does a fantastic job. As you can tell, that follows them troughs around and get about 8 hours of smoke out of that. We got a pork butt on the grill. Getting some great taste in that thing. We're probably maybe about 270, somewhere in there I suppose, give or take about 10-20 degrees. But I wanted to find a smoker. I really wanted a pellet grill, but at $700-800 was a lot of my price range. Plus I love the way my Holland Grill makes food. So I figured, well, for 35 bucks I can't go wrong. So we decided to try it, and we've had chicken on it that's turned out amazing. But now we're doing a pork butt for the first time, and as you can tell, it's smoking to beat hell. I don't think a regular smoker, pellet grill, will even smoke that much. Maybe it will, I don't know, but now I just saved $700 by finding this on the internet. Actually, I was watching YouTube and a guy had it on there, so here we are. And in about 5 hours we're going to taste it, see how it goes. But anyway, just thought I'd show y'all. Have a good day. Later.